Hello Libras, what's up? How are you all doing? So we welcome every one of you to this wonderful channel, our Divine Family, and this beautiful read, which is all about going to be the mid part September month. Love read is here, guys. What's happening? Let's understand it. And Libras, we just have to say that make sure that you subscribe our channel, share it with your friends, family members, on your social media statuses, anywhere, the applications which you use. Okay, Three of Pentacles to begin with, Libras. I think what I see, just see this, the combination just can get right. Yeah, you know one thing, you want a partnership, strong partnership. You are ready to give 100% to this person. You're desiring this one fact that you really do like this individual. You want to go into this new beginning with them. You want to have some things which is very beautiful, which is having lots of support and also solidity. I'll tell you, you want it on a solid terms. What else? Just a second, we got too many cards again, but I think I need to reshuffle it again. Tell me, universe, guide us please. Okay. Seven of Pentacles is here. Okay, it actually came out in this. Yeah. So yeah, and the Four of Wands. Okay, I'm having two more, I think. Yeah, we got two more. I'm gonna take that out as well. Okay. Show me with the last card. Universe, show me with the last card. Yeah, I think it was getting up. It was getting up. I'll tell you one thing, Libras. That's going to be great. You'll find love. Don't worry. If you're searching really, you will be finding it. And something new is happening. New is beginning. Some things are cooking over here. I'll tell you this thing. Libras, your thought of putting the seeds in the right place so that all the situations come in your favor is in your heart truly. You want it to happen in certain ways. You want the certainties to happen. You want things to be in this one manner, I would say. Right? Also, I feel here that your new, maybe I would say that you might search this person in a public place. You may get and meet in some kind of festival, so something new. Now, if you're having any kind of festivals coming up for you, just be truly up for this thing. Why? Because, public gathering, public spots, places like this will enhance this thing in a very major way. Do not fight. Stop the ways to tell people what is your answers, what is not, what's happening, what is not, what you should say, what you should not. It's somewhere in the favor that you are feeling too much strengthened with your own facts, with your own power. Become powerful, guys, because you are powerful. You have that whole words inside you. You can beat anybody. You can have that whole symptoms, stigmas and things like that, where I think your participation in this relationship will be very high. Why? Because you want things to happen. What previous mistakes you have done in your life, you don't want to continue with that. You want to change yourself and get into a certain point where you feel that what is apt for you, what is apt for your partner needs to be done, needs to be given that importance, I would say. I think there's a literal communication over here. The communication will be very high. It'll have a lot of goodness. It'll have a lot of clarity now this time, because what happened in the previous time was something that you never had that in your heart, and you felt that you were betrayed, you were misunderstood somewhere, and every blame came to your head. This time, not at all. You won't be taking any kind of risk. You want it to happen in this certain way. It will happen in this certain way only. And you are very much clear with your swords that if anybody tries to counterattack me, I'm here. I'll just splash their heads and everything. It's just like that. You have the words, you have the points, you have everything. Just use it thoroughly, use it to the right sport, because when you start using it to the right sport, You will see that the things are coming and things will get much more better in the futuristic terms as well. And also what I say here is that when you see celebrations happening, celebrations coming on, everything is in a definite manner, everything is moving on in a definite perspective, you will see how things will start changing. You will see how it will provide you something nice, something better, something very clearer, I would say. Okay, this is it. This is the guidances which the universe wanted to tell. Please do not underestimate yourself. Go ahead, fight. You will win it. You will win it, guys, because you have that thing inside you. Okay, you have victorious powers, everything. Thanks for watching us. I'm glad that I've taken this read of yours, and we hope that you're understanding it, you are connecting with our channel, with us as a family. Do subscribe, do like, do comment, and tell us, guys, like how much is happening. Okay, thanks a lot. Great days.